Hey everyone, I am your girl Donita Divine and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I am all about lifestyle, travel, event planning, renovations, and fashion. Today, I want to do a little unboxing with you guys and I'm excited to share this with you. So yeah, I opened it already. I just opened it with the scissors and I was like, nope, I need to do this on camera. So I want to share my little unboxing. I bought a few handbags. I know I shared some handbags with you earlier of what my regular handbags that I go through, but I've been buying some new stuff lately and I wanted to share something with you. So yes, I opened the box and I was like, nope, let's do it together. So, ooh, I went around. So this is from Tory Burch. Remember I was telling you that this is luxury on, not on a budget, but a baddie on a budget. Luxury brands with great prices. So I love Tory Burch because they give you this stellar leather. I saw a bag that was on sale there and it was a different color and I felt like I just had to have it. So the card that comes with it is from Tory Burch. And it says empowering women. You know, I'm all about that. And it's just a thank you and telling us about her brand. And it says our brand was started with the founding principle to empower women. We hope you love your order and are thrilled with being a part of the community. Yes, I love this. Great touch. I don't think I've ever ordered anything from Tory Burch. I've only been into the store, so I love this. Okay, so let's get into it. Let's do this one. It's right on top. Oh yeah, I ordered two. So the first handbag is a color island chartreuse. And it's one size fit all, I guess. Doesn't really have a size. It comes in this, it's wrapped in plastic, of course. This is my first unboxing, y'all. Wow. So get into it. So this is the same little tag that says empowering women. Style is a Kyra mini bag. And as you can see, the little sneak peek of the color. Yes, get into that, baby. This color is everything. So it has a front little clasp that you turn to open it. I want to get rid of this cardboard, but it's well protected. So yes, the clasp is in the front. And you do this, boop, and you got it. But look at it. Get into this. It is so cute. It fits the phone just perfectly. Oh my God. Look at the leather. Can we get into that? Look at this. Oh, it's so pretty. I would say this handbag was like $200. So pretty. The inside comes with another, this is the strap. So you can either wear it with a handle as a top handle, which is really in trend now, the top handles. You know, last year and the year before, we was all about the crossbodies, but now the top handle bags and the shoulder bags are coming back in trend. So love that, because you give the option, if you get tired of carrying it in your hand, you can use it as a crossbody. And it has little back pockets for your little credit cards and the middle piece for your phone. Oh, is this suede? Feels like a suede. Might be a micro suede. Microfiber type of feel. It's like microfiber. On the inside, gorgeous. And then it has the little zip compartment for your coins. Love. And then another compartment for your keys and lip gloss and stuff. Yes, I love this. I'm so happy to be unboxing with you guys. So I don't know. I didn't take the paper off because I'm not about to wear it. Probably until the summertime. I don't know, we'll see. Let's see what we're gonna do with this. But I love this. So it is the Kyra mini bag. And if you go on the Tory Burch website, I know I'm not getting paid for this, is just my personal love for this type of, for Tory Burch's brand. But if you go there and you join their mailing list, they give you 10 or 20% off. I can't remember what it was. So, yeah, and if you have already purchased something from there, find another email, and so you can get your little coins off. I'm just saying. So yeah, you've already registered with one email. If you like me, you got like 50 email addresses. Use another one. So perfect. Oh, and it comes with this little bag to keep it in there, to keep it clean. Oh, love, love, love. Because this house is dusty sometimes. You got to keep up with the dust. It's not a drawstring. Oh, it's a drawstring. So the next item is, what comes in the bag? They have the packing slip, which is saying everything that I ordered. And looks like I ordered 2 Kyra bags. Who knew? The next one is big. Hunty. So that's it in this bag. As you can see, that's it. That's all. But even the bag is cute. The way it folds in, win. But like I said before, I'm all about the packaging. That's going to determine how much the designer loves their quality of their bags. Get into it. This is the Kyra Diamond Quilt Convertible Shoulder Bag. This is just and it's in black with gold hardware. If you look at this leather, honey, it's luxurious. This is Tory Burch's version of the YSL quilted bag. And honey, they did not come to play. Look at this. This is gorgeous. Gorgeous, and it smells rich. I love the smell of leather. I don't know if you, but I love the smell of leather. And this smells like money. So it has the gold hardware, and it has the insides are very similar. It has an inside zipper pocket, which is super cute. Inside zipper pocket. And then it has this middle piece with the zipper for things that you don't want to fall out of your purse or someone can't easily get to it. And then you have this main compartment space. And then there are some card slots on the inside right here. Gorgeous, gorgeous handbag. I cannot. Can you hear that? Yes, this reminds me of my other handbag, how it just, the clasp is so on tight. And it's a shoulder bag, so yes, shoulder. Very cute, very demure. I love this bag. Let me know down in the comments what you think about this bag. Do you have one of these bags? They have this in another color. They have both of these in different colors, and I'll put the colors in the comments. But this one comes in this camel color too. I couldn't figure out what color to get, but I just opted for the black because I like black. This was a great price, and I got that 20% off, I believe, or whatever percent it was off. And yeah, I couldn't beat it. They got it in a green that I want. Oh my goodness, I am really seconds away of clicking that button for this green one. The green is hot. It's called basil color. Check it out. I'm gonna show you, let y'all know what it looks like. But yeah, I don't get any kickbacks for Tory Burch, but I just like it because, for one, it's a great quality, and I like saving a buck. I like to have some good stuff in my wardrobe, and this right here is gorgeous. Check it out, check it out. These are my pieces. Isn't it cute? They're both Kyra. One has a top handle, one does not, the other does not. But this is kind of a nice little weight to it. So you have to be intentional to wear this. Love this bag. Love, love, love. Both Kyra. This is the Diamond Quilt convertible shoulder bag. And this is the Kyra Mini. And this is chartreuse, island chartreuse. And this is black. Let me know down in the comments which one is your favorite. Okay, that's it for my unboxing. Let me know, how did I do? This is my first one. Let me know. I've always wanted to do that. I see people do it online. And I'm like, I want to do that, so I'm doing it. So let me know how I did. Thanks for watching.